Hi, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I am standing on a new 2019 Galeon 550 Fly. So now we're up on the bridge of the new 55 Galeon. You can see a huge, large sunning area here. Nice power top here that you can open up. So if you want the sun or if you want the shade, just huge area up here to entertain. Lots of storage under all the seating. You have a wet bar, refrigerator, ice maker, and grill. At the helm here at the Galeon 55, you have a nice Raymarine Axiom package, the Volvo instrumentation, SmartCraft, stereo fusion, autopilot. Over here you have a bow and stern thruster, digital controls for the Volvos, your trim tabs here, and then your engine where you can crank your engine from either the upper helm or if after in a minute you'll see when we go downstairs the lower helm as well. In the aft deck here you've got a great area for sitting and relaxing, read the morning paper. You've got an awning here above. Nice table area, storage under the part of the seats as well, but a big area, full teak area on this particular boat. The folding accordion door here, which makes this area in the bar really open as you're entering into the salon here. Big galley, big windows on all the Galeon product. So as you walk in from the cockpit into the salon area here, you notice, first thing you really notice in a Galeon is the real wood. Beautiful matte finish on this one, walnut. You have a refrigerator here, so it's real convenient. The whole rear galley makes it really nice having a refrigerator here, a bar area here, tons of storage here. Love how the custom woodwork for your glasses all across here. All four of these are set up like that. Tons of storage here. 4 more drawers. Convection oven here. Stove top here. Nice full-size refrigeration and freezer. And they went the extra mile, put the nice wood trim on front of it to make it all blend in. The light countertops, just very open and feeling with the big windows. Nice gradual step up here. Nice table up here. Plenty of seating room here. And you can see how much natural light comes in the boat. TV comes up right here. It's got a switch, automatic switch there, so it's hidden. Again, at the helm, they do an outstanding job here. So you have, this boat has the optional Seakeeper. You have autopilot again, duplicate stuff of earlier, the Volvo. Dual screens down below here, trim tabs, bow and stern thruster, again the Volvo digital with VHF. So you have twin bedrooms. This is your third stateroom, your guest stateroom. They do slide together to make one larger bed. You have an opening porthole. Lots of natural lighting. You do have wooden blinds that you can put down, overhead storage, and a large hanging locker here in front of you. So now we're up in the VIP stateroom. You have large mirror, nice size bed, lots of storage all the way around on each side. Nice lights to read by at night. Air conditioned heat controls are really easy to access. Beautiful trim on the door. Access to the head as well in here. Nice, large, separate shower. One of the things I really like on the Galeon product is their attention to detail in the heads. Is got a big, really big sink. Lots of drawers under the bed here. And we didn't want to open this and make too much of a glare, but you do have a lot of natural lighting. Both of these will open. Just real big, open and airy in a VIP. So nice big open halls as you go in and out of the different staterooms. Decorative lighting behind the headboard. Got the drawer cabinet space here, lots of storage, hanging lockers on that side, TV at the foot of the bed. Nice vanity. And then storage behind the mirrors as well. But you can see I'm a little bit over 6 foot tall and plenty of headroom down here. As you step up here, on this side we have the washer dryer combo unit. And then as you walk back up, you have you go into the full master head here. It's large separate shower, beautiful decor, backsplashing. Just a very, very large head and shower. So on the stern of the 55 fly Galeon, you have a really large hydraulic swim platform here, built-in ladder, ventilation as well for water, nice LED lighting. When you go over to this side, real easy access here to a single bunk crew. Has its air conditioned, heat, head, shower, all down below, and then an access door into the engine room. You have a lot of natural lighting here where you can see, so you don't feel like you're down inside a box. You have your wash down hoses. You have here. You have your hydraulic swim platform controls here, plus it has a remote. You have dock line storage here. Large cleats. And if you look down the side of these boats, there's large walk-arounds where you can get around the boat easily. Some of the nice features you also have is a forward gate up there that can open, so if you're at a marina that has a fixed dock. And your fuel and your waste pumps are right here on the side. Nice LED lights, tall rails, lots of handrails all the way down the sides of the boat. Again, I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thank you for going through the 2019 Galeon 55 fly with me today. Any other questions you might have on this or any other product that we have here at MarineMax, give us a call at 910-256-8100, or you can always get on at marinemax.com. Thank you very much.